see your ear. Hold down your head. Hold down your
Hold
head.
my head down. So
Yes,
you can
hold
see
it down. Turn around. Turn around. Let me see your bumper cloth head.
Turn
Turn
around.
around. Alright. It's nice to you know, me like it. You look good, me like it. Them do a good job. You look
Oh,
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, Russian, you look nice. I'm my big son. Mag up on them, Russian.
Thank you.
Let me call Paulette do and show Paulette your ear. Let me call Paulette. Look for my handsome son. Hello, Wagwan sister. Look now, Russian, here me want to show you Paulette. Russian, turn around.
Mommy,
Russian,
Russian,
show Paulette your ear. Let me put on my eyeglasses. Russian, turn around, Russian. Let me see the back of you. Let me see the back of your ear. No, me don't like it. But it looks so. That don't look professional at all. Russian, you want to Rasta? You want to Rasta and shoot up your mother? Lord God, Paulette, that's true. A Rasta Russian want on. Lord God.
No, I don't want to be a Rasta.
Rupert, come look here, Rupert. Come look here.
With my hair.
Sister, all up your man, the Russian shirt. You see up your man, the Russian shirt. Lord God, that's true, Paulette. Did that the Rasta hairstyle and look good for him?
But she don't even have
Russian
hair.
tappy. Russian, shut your mouth. Look at me here, tall. Look at me here, tall. Me Indian, you know.